Good morning and welcome to the pre-market video for 25th May 2022. Now when we look at how the markets performed yesterday, we see that they managed to hold a support level side share. For example, Nifty held a support range between 16,020 and 16,050 as it closed and its low was around 16,038 I think. And Bank Nifty held 34,080 like glue. Now the markets as of now are trading in a more sideways motion, and which is rather peaceful for both option sellers and option buyers. Why I say that is that option sellers, if you look at, let's say, the past 2 days price action, it's been quite a simple trading thing, as you just sell the puts below and you can also sell the calls above, and it stayed within that range. So that has been easy. And for option buyers, the bars in between have been a bit bigger, so that has given us enough swings to trade on the upswing and downswing, unless it's the 5-minute chart or the 3-minute charts. So it has benefited both fronts. And I believe the pause which has come in the market is due to what we are seeing on the global scale. I say this as the American market every day is coming down, and then it's propping back up by the end of the session. As let's say I have loaded the Nasdaq chart, and we can see a bunch of long wicks are constantly forming, constantly dropping and constantly rising. Now what I believe all the world markets are waiting for is what I had given on the positional update on Sunday to my clients, as I had put that the US GDP numbers are releasing on Thursday, and this will be very important for the American market and for the Indian market too. Also, there will be commentary coming for this week for the FOMC meeting, and that can spook the whole world's markets, which is not in line with what people want. So I believe the world markets are waiting for that, and that is why they're basically hanging around, not breaking down or not breaking upwards. So until these events pass, we will keep dilly-dallying within the box range, which now if we come to our home indexes is for the Nifty I had shown yesterday here and Bank Nifty here. Now the only thing we have to watch for now is that we continue holding the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour chart, and the 20-day moving average on this. If we slip below it, then naturally we'll test the bottom of the box range. That is a simple technical rule that everybody should know. So basically that's the only thing which you can do, watch right now on the bigger time scale. However, this is why I'm saying it's easy for option sellers. Right now you can just sell the calls which are above this and the puts which are below this, and you'll earn a decent premium. You just have to be ready to stomach the volatility that is coming in between in the MTMs. Now when we go to the quant levels, how I expect the indexes to do and how I expect the indexes to trade today. Basically, how I expect the indexes to trade, if we hold this zone, then we'll just basically trade between the 20-day moving average and the upper range of the box range. However, if we break down below the 20-day moving average, then we'll have a decline to the bottom, and it will be a one-way movement, which will be a good short between in the box range if that were to occur. However, right now what I can see with the SGX Nifty, it is basically indicating a flat open. I won't call that a gap up or anything. By 9 o'clock it will be flat, and so we'll open around this range. So now this is where it's going to be very important to see how the indexes perform. Now on the upside, first resistance to watch in the Nifty 16,190 to 16,220, which when the SGX is now trying to break through 16,190. Then resistance 2 is 16,360 and 16,460. I believe these three will deal with anything that has to come on the upside as of now. And then 16,540, suddenly there is short covering which comes. On the downside, 16,010, that is a very important support zone. Right now, if we crack that, then 15,920, 15,830. I believe these two will handle most of what can come if you break down the downside, and if we have a further extension of the downside, then 15,830. On the upside for the Bank Nifty, basically 34,480 is the first major resistance, after which 34,630 to 34,790 is a very important hurdle. These two are very important hurdles to break. You break that, then 35,050. But these two are going to carry a lot of weight in deciding whether we have a breakout on the upside. On the downside, 34,080, basically, which is what saved the indexes yesterday, and 33,800 to 33,880. Now that is one important support zone, and also this one. I believe these three will handle any of the down move which comes. However, if we have a very sharp move, then that is only when 33,100 to 33,250 will get activated. And the last one is 32,750. Thank you for watching, and do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today you can expect a dual side bouncy movement, which will give intraday players a good amount of chance to go both long and short, long and short, long and short, and it will give option sellers a good amount of acidity as they see the MTM fluctuating.